Have you tried to upload short videos on YouTube, but they get stuck under 10 views? And then you listen to all the YouTube educators, edited your videos, made a better title, made more videos, and posted them, but still no result. Let me tell you something. Maybe you are focusing on the wrong things. For your videos to go viral, first you need to befriend with YouTube algorithm and do what she told you to do. I was in your position before until I started using this strategy that allowed me to get thousands of views on my shorts. I will tell you 4 things that I changed that make my new channel Shorts videos from almost no views to get 100,000 views. YouTube created Shorts in an attempt to compete with platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels because YouTube knows where the trend will be. YouTube did a great job in 2023 by making YouTube Short to be able to monetize in February. That is what makes many content creators from TikTok and Instagram Reels come to YouTube Shorts because they can make more money. YouTube Shorts is currently one of the fastest growing platforms on this planet to get more audience and viewers. As you can see right now, YouTube Shorts has almost 560 million videos with 30 million channels, and I believe by the end of this year, Short will get at least 1 billion videos. With that numbers, if you choose to ignore Shorts right now, you lose out on massive opportunities because it's only the beginning for Shorts. This can help you grow your channel faster, get monetized, and you can make millions of dollars just by creating Shorts. But, as I mentioned before, TikTok and Reels creators already came to YouTube Shorts, which means great for them and for YouTube, because they bring their viewers to YouTube. But on the other side, that means more competition for us as a new YouTube creator. The $1 million question is, how do we actually beat them? As we all know, YouTube algorithm is so blue with what it calls retention time. Let's say YouTube see one of your videos has a 15% retention time, and in another video, you become Mr. Beast and have 70% retention in that video, which means that video obviously is going to perform better in no time cause YouTube algorithm will spread it to more people for them to watch your Shorts video. That's how YouTube money comes from at the end of the day. That's what they care about now with Shorts. Audience retention needs to be even higher, close to 100 if you really want to go viral. So how do we get this done? Maintaining the attention of a viewer is a skill set that you need to build to create successful YouTube Shorts. Here are some tips in order for you to do that. At number 1, you must go straight to the point and cut the crap out. Give the viewer what they came for. Don't make an intro that will consume your first 5 seconds. If that's YouTube Shorts golden hours that will determine your viewers will continue to watch or just keep scrolling to another video. And that's the best way to make an algorithm that will no more recommend your video to other people. Number 2, learn how to tell stories with a great hook that will grab people's attention to want to know more about your videos. Do you remember how I begin these videos? If not, let me rewind it for you. But still no result. Let me tell you something. Maybe you are focusing on the wrong things. Now when I make that opening statement when I said, maybe you are focusing on the wrong things, it already reveals the reason why you clicked this video in the first place. So you must give 60% of your content at the beginning of your videos that are the reason why viewers want to know more about your videos, not just skip them in your first 5 seconds. And of course, compelling story is one of the best ways to get viewers' attention and obviously maintain it. People's attention spans are really low today due to platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. All of the content on there is like this. It's snappy, keeps going really fast. People on average can watch 5 videos in just 1 minute on YouTube Shorts, which triggers your part in the brain. If you watch long-form content or really slow-made content, you're simply going to get bored and you're going to click away to the next thing that will be like this. So I came out with number 3 to make video transitions like zoom in and zoom out, A and B roll, and swipe to the right or even left. This will make the video more engaging to watch because the screen is always changing. Do this to prove my theory. You go to some viral videos on YouTube and see how much changing screen they make. Try to count it, or maybe you can try on this video. You can start counting how many transitions I make from this moment till the end. At number 4, add subtitles to your videos. You'll see this a lot on Instagram, TikTok, and even in Shorts videos. As of right now, not everyone that's watching a short can listen to it. For example, imagine if you're in a restaurant in New York and you are waiting for your friend to come and join you. Usually we try to kill time by watching some YouTube Shorts. But you cannot listen to audio in that situation, and you see this video right here. What will you do if there are no subtitles? You'll skip the video, right? But this change alone can make so much difference in making people watch your videos. And you can make that automatically on many platforms right now, but my favorite I'm using now is CapCut, but feel free to use another one that you like and are comfortable with. Number 5 is make your call to action things. What I mean by that is you make a great engagement to your viewer to do something, you must hear it somewhere like. If you want to see the result in part 2, that means your viewer will return again to your channel to see what was the result after what are you doing just now. That will trigger YouTube to think that people keep returning to your videos. Hey, people maybe like this channel, let's promote this a bit more to other people because chances are the new ones will keep coming back to it. You want to get more returning viewers than new viewers. This is an indication that people actually like your content and that they keep coming back. So don't do any stupid call to action like asking viewers to like the video and asking them to subscribe at the wrong time of your video. Those are the exact moments where people click off and ruin your audience retention rate even though everything works. To see that, you can go analytic and go to the audience and you can see how many new viewers and returning viewers your channel is as if it's the other way around, meaning you've got more new viewers than returning viewers. That's a great indicator that people are beginning to notice your channel. More people are now able to find your channel. All we need to do is convert them into returning viewers. Especially with YouTube Shorts, if people start watching all of your shorts one after another, you've got great session time, meaning people are sitting down and chilling at your shorts. That's the best sign that you can get to YouTube. Push it more the key to getting more returning viewers on your shorts. My last tip for me is consistency. No, I don't mean to upload consistency as all of it. However, I mean every single element in your YouTube Shorts. From your branding, editing, concept, and quality, you must make all that consistently equal or better than before. That is the only way to create trust from your viewer that you will give them great content when you upload them. And the next one you upload, you will make a viral effect, which creates your viewers to watch you again and again, and YouTube will look for another new viewer for your channel. You can introduce series or formats to your short videos, meaning there's a format that keeps coming back. If people like the first episode, they'll probably like the second, third, fourth, and fifth. A great example is this channel called How Ridiculous. They make the same content consistently, like how they take the camera roll, what they do, and the quality that they do, and every single of their videos almost look alike. So people who like that will go from their first video to the second, then third, and so on. An algorithm will make your video viral like crazy. Let's look at their short there. The algorithm pushes them like crazy every time they upload their shorts. And here's a bonus tip for you. You can make sure you can create that viral effect by applying the tips by making a loop at your shorts so people aren't sure where your video ends. Here's a quick example of how people do this. Because you make people not notice they're actually watching the beginning again, that will boost your retention time so much more than before. But all that tips will go to ground if you never start your channel. Let me tell you a secret. This is your last opportunity to start YouTube Shorts in the early stages. You can do the waiting game until next year or many years to come. Or maybe you can start as soon after you watch this video, and make sure you watch this video so you know how the algorithm works and how to make algorithm boost your video in your early stages. Best of luck to you and your YouTube journey.